welcome to our channel. We're a US military family stationed in Japan, and today's video we're going to Nikko, Edo Wonderland. The drive is about 2 hours, and we stopped by this rest area. Hi Sheridan! Hi! Hi! He's a big girl! Yogurt. Yeah, mango. Mango? I don't think you know. Our 1-year-old toddler usually can handle 1 hour to 2 hour max car ride, so we decided to stop in the middle just for me to pee and also get her some rest and eat. We got her this onigiri that has seaweed and little fish in there. She'll love it so much, and it's easily to find in basically any convenience store in Japan. The rest area has so many stores. This is like a little souvenir store. It has a lot of really cute kitty cats, stuffed animals, sunglasses, and these cats from the intro. Super cute. And also have a lot of Ghibli related stuff.
Kiki's delivery service?
Yeah. And the house.
Countless.
The tree house.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, look. Like a pottery. Yeah. Ghibli stuff. Oh.
This is an origami set.
Yeah, I don't think I can do it. Oh, Cup Noodle Studio. There are also so many souvenir boxes that you can get that covers a lot of famous cities in Japan. The drive is getting so beautiful, and you really feel like you're in countryside by this point. It looks so cool. We're at Nikko, Japan, and for a 2 days trip, first stop we got to this Edo Wonderland. Let's show them the tickets. It wasn't really crowded. I'm guessing it's because it's a weekday. We got to the ticket booth, but apparently because I already bought my tickets online, so I don't have to go through here. But the lady was still super nice and gave me a map. Taiwan. Hi. And I think she likes Taiwan. So we don't need tickets because we booked tickets on KK Day, just saying. It was so empty. I feel so calm and just beautiful. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It smells so good already. Wow. Just present your QR code and then scan it. Even the scanner is hiding in this wood shelf. It just looks so good. Hi. The map is pretty big, and we're trying to figure out our way. When you first walked in, you will see this long walk. And because there's no one there, so we're so confused and thought maybe we're lost. We came a Monday afternoon, and it's like barely anyone. After we got into the center part, we finally start seeing people, but still not a lot. They have like seats in the river. Like, say hi. You say hi. Huh? So we come in here, and now we're at this bridge. We're going to find baby change room and a bathroom, and then continue. So not too big then. There are a lot of buildings and things you can just explore on your own, like this little area for kids to play at. There are also a lot of events that's going on in different times. We're going to this Minami Machi magistrate office. We didn't know what to expect, but we thought we're here. Why not go? Hi. The show we just went to is pretty cool, but we didn't understand anything they said. Seems like it's like someone lost their daughter and then went to find someone to find a daughter. I'm not sure. It's definitely a fun experience. You cannot take pictures or video during the show, but at the end they give you a little paper and you roll into a bowl and throw on the stage once it's done. Now we're trying to find a restaurant to go eat. This whole village, including buildings, workers, language, menu, honestly just any details that recreate an Edo town that you can immerse yourself in the culture. Rice cracker. This is the soba. I'll try just the traditional Edo style, and then I want the nama yupa bean skin. We decided on soba noodles, but this is not the usual soba noodles that you know for. It's Edo style. In Nikko, tofu skin is pretty famous. You basically eat it with soy sauce and wasabi, and it's so good, so light and refreshing, and there's like really strong soy taste in it, but in a good way. One very different things about Edo style soba noodle is the sauce. They put red miso inside instead of the regular soy sauce. I didn't think it wasn't good, but in my personal preference, I think I'm still used to the soy sauce and wasabi, that kind of normal style. Charlotte didn't want any of the soba noodles, so we're trying to find food for her. We found this place that sells chicken skewer, and we know Charlotte would definitely eat this, so we ordered 2 skewer, one for me and one for her. President wanted some dessert, so we got this rice bowl for him. Charlotte, your job. Oh no. Can you sit here? I got one skewer that's salted and the other one is teriyaki sauce. I like the teriyaki sauce a lot better because the salt one, it was too salty for me. We just finished eating lunch and got a chicken skewer for Charlotte. And now we're sitting on the road, just waiting for the parade to start. I'm not sure what I should expect, but it's supposed to be very good because everyone is waiting for it, and it's like once a day. And we chose soba for our lunch. Did you like it? Yeah, it was really good. It's a very different style than I'm used to, because the one I had before is just soy sauce and wasabi, and that's about it. But this one, they use miso as a dipping sauce and wasabi. Very different. I think I prefer the original one.
花魁道中とは、江戸時代、幕府からただ一つ、花魁に相手にしてもらえない普通の男性客も多く訪れ、花魁道中は、そうした人たちでも、花魁を目にすることができる絶好の機会だったのでございます。
There's a ninja show that's super cool. It's a stage performance and has a storyline. You don't have to understand Japanese to enjoy it. And the performance and the skill is all spot on. Finished the ninja theater ninja show. How did you like it?
It's fun.
It was more realistic than I thought. They actually jumped down from the roof to the ground. Not just punching and like fighting, but like hardcore and smart way. The music and the sound effect come with it. It's super real. Now Charlotte falls asleep in there. And now we're just walking around. Preston tried to get me in this house. I thought I could do it, but it was actually super scary. I'm scared. No. No. Baby, no. You go. You go around first. You go around first. Preston want me to go to this place, but I don't want to go with him. It looks like a haunted house. Japanese version, but I'm so scared. Preston. Since Charlotte was sleeping, so we just walk around the village and just enjoy the view of this.
You want to take a picture of here?
It's like a smaller version of the one in Kyoto. Same god though, they all have fox. 500 yen. And you can paint one. Yes. We saw people feeding fish and it was really intense, so I got very curious. It's kind of gross, so if you don't like fish, you might find this a little scary. Fast forward this part. It's 100 yen per bag of the fish food. We got one bag for now. It wasn't a lot in the bag, but oh well. The fish just come over whenever they see people up there. We haven't even started dropping the food in the water. Okay, yeah. Charlotte walked up and we got another bag for her. Don't eat it. See how would she like it. Overall, we love this place. We love the atmosphere and the effort that make the culture live again. There are so many events and activities you can attend, mostly free, but for kids that want to attend ninja training courses, you might need to pay a few hundred yen per classes, but I think it's totally worth it because you might just come here once in your lifetime, and kids will really have a lot of fun. I just wish Charlotte is a little bigger so she will enjoy this place more. But if you happen to be in Nikko area, want to explore something very special, Edo Wonderland is definitely a place that you should come. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I have more video about Nikko coming, so stay tuned by subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!